A close friend of mine reached out today with a huge favor. Her brother who's in the army called her and said he would be coming home today to surprise their whole family and that his plane would be landing in 2 hours. So she texted me and asked if I could do the impossible and make him a custom welcome home cake. She told me that it was fine if it was a store-bought cake, she just really wanted me to decorate it so that it could be a custom cake for him. I've never decorated a store-bought cake before, so I agreed because of course I wanted to give this a try. First, she sent me some pictures of him and some things that he likes, like his favorite sports team and his favorite NASCAR driver. I made a quick collage on my phone using PicCollage, and then I printed that on an edible printer. Then I stopped at the store and bought the first cake that I found. It was between this one and a very dark colored red, so I figured it would be much easier to work with the white and the pink. This is that edible sugar sheet, and I cut everything out while that cake is crumb coated in the freezer. I made a batch of buttercream, and then I go ahead and I frost the whole thing in white buttercream. So my friend did send me a picture of the little setup she had made really quick, and it was red, white, and blue balloons as well as the cute table cover. So I thought I would just match the quick decoration that she had made with the red, white, and blue. So I frost the cake white, and then I just go back in there and make sure that I make it as smooth as possible, because even though this cake is rushed, we don't want it to look rushed. And it was about this point where I start to freak out a little bit, because she was texting me that she was on her way to the airport to go pick up her brother. But if you've ever been to Phoenix Sky Harbor, you know that it takes a while to get in there and to get out. It's nothing quick. So I start placing all of the images on the cake. I used the largest image that I had and placed it right on top, and then all of the other smaller images I just placed in the front. With that leftover buttercream that I had, I colored half of it red and half of it blue to match that decoration that she had set up already. And then I did that bottom border in royal blue, and then I did the top in red. And I did have a little bit of buttercream left over, white, so I piped that border around that top image, and it came out super cute. I asked her for an update, and she had just picked him up. So she only lives 10 minutes away from me, so I knew I would beat her there. I put it in the freezer while I grabbed my shoes, grabbed my keys, and let it chill for a minute, and then I headed over there and I made it just in time right before she got there. And this is the final result, and then I did a quick side-by-side of before and after.